Hi guys, for today's recipe you will need a quarter of a small pumpkin diced up, 3 cups of wholemeal flour, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 2 eggs, a bone-shaped cutter, a food processor, and a rolling pin. In a pot on high heat, boil some water. And once that's boiled, add in your pumpkin chunks and let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or just until they're soft. When they're cooked, turn off the heat and strain them over the sink in a colander. Now put your cooked pumpkin into your food processor and blend. Once you've turned that into puree, you'll need 3/4 of a cup and then let it sit to cool down for about 10 minutes before going on to your next step. In a bowl, add in your pumpkin, 2 eggs, and your peanut butter, and mix it all together. Now, as you're still mixing, add in your flour a little bit at a time and leave about 1/2 cup to use later on when we roll it out. Preheat your oven to 150 degrees and then sprinkle some of your flour over the table. Knead your pumpkin dough and roll it out to be about 1/2 centimeter thick. Now cut out your bone-shaped biscuits and lay them out onto a lined baking tray. Pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes or until they're slightly golden. And then they should be ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more.